All right, so it is kind of late into the opening session. The market's been open for like 13 minutes. I got into a trade right at market open, which is looking like it was a bad idea. I was literally a take away from hitting TP1 and moving into break even. So if we lose off of this, it's gonna be kind of frustrating. Um, but yeah, we can go over this, I guess. We got we got Friday high, which got posted, and then right away we took it out and then started trading lower. This at the beginning gave me a bearish bias, just with how price moved after it, but I sort of think that we'll want to revisit this just to cover up any type of order block or get into some more shorts here. Um, and another reason why I think that is because we got Asia high and London high that's stacked up on here. On Nasdaq, they're even closer than what they are on the S&P. Nasdaq, they're literally only a point and a half apart from each other. So this is going to be our high probability target for the day. This is actually good. Never making that SMT. Hopefully we just don't get stopped out by this. But basically we have this here, and then London low was hit here. We swept that out. That's going to be our liquidity sweep. Took an equilibrium off of this range from this low all the way up to this high. Right before the market opened, we got this retracement back in down in the discount. So what did we do? Scale down to the 1 minute and wait for a break of structure to the upside, which is what we got on that opening candle. And then we ordered on this slight over retracement on the next candle. And then we moved pretty swiftly. The order didn't get hit, but it should have. I don't really know why it didn't get hit, but hopefully we can go back up and fill that. It looks like this is the SMT that we got playing out. And then we got our take profits all the way up here at this Friday high. So giving it a lot of room to breathe here. Just want to see it move efficiently. We've also been trying to get this stupid parking pass. Let me take it off that screen. See, y'all don't need to see that. Y'all need to see this. We are moving pretty good. Now, if it doesn't get hit this time, I'm gonna be mad. I'm gonna be so hot if this doesn't get hit. Don't do this. Don't do it. Oh my god, please don't do it. Oh my god. Just hit it. Take just thank you. Cover commissions a little bit. And then we sort of just let it let it ride. See if there's any. Yeah, I mean there's not. We got an order block here. and we're open to a fair value. Yeah, probably about the only things you gotta look out for. Really happy with my trading so far. It's a good way to start off the month. Good way to start off the month. Up like $60 or whatever we realized. Yeah, realized $58 already, which is solid. It's good. Not gonna lose any money on this trade. I don't need to worry about it no more. That S&T got put in. Here's that S&T. Let me take this off. I didn't even see the SMT, want the SMT. I wasn't even thinking about that. The reason why I took the trade on ES over Nasdaq is just because we had these relative or these equal highs here with this high and this high got taken out. It was really efficient. We saw a strong reaction off of that, which tells me that that's something I got to pay attention to. And then you see that this is marked out. We got these equal highs here as well. So we just got really clear targets and we got these equal highs. When on Nasdaq, the only thing we had working for us was that these two highs were really close, but we don't have any other equal highs in here. I guess these two, but I mean that's really picky right there. But yeah, that's why we took it on here. We got lucky. It ended up ES ended up being the stronger index for the day, or at least for the opening session. So sort of riding this momentum off of the SMT, which is good. Hopefully we can ride it up into here and hit this Friday high. Revisit this area up here. And get paid, boy. I get paid. I think Dre dropped a new song, so we can get that playing up in here. Up in here. We can get that playing up in here. Get good guy Dre. Break them down. I don't know the lyrics to this yet. Sophie, I've been reaching for this guy. Now we popping bottles, they can't tell me nothing slow. Hey, why you wasting all my time? Section for my dog, tell me about like every fucking time. Hey, she be by my side, she gon' ride, she gon' never quit. Diamonds in the light, they gon' shine, I don't never quit. Turn me to a boss, I been grind, now I'm fucking rich. Put a couple lost, now I'm back on my fucking shit outside. Credit 30, get the keys, we hopping in the V, huh? Young nigga, start to slide. Hey, yo, boy, I'm all that ass, so you know you gotta drive. Money falling down, nigga, we don't split it, we divide. Hey.
Take them down, voices away from the bank, can't escape it now. Bro, you got me having I can taste it now. Someone grab my hand, get big weeds. Break them down, big weeds. Break them down, I teach to the funny, but I feel with confidence. I ain't trying to wipe, I just let the party drop. Reflecting on the fucking problem. Yeah, I'm just a soul, niggas switching for a fucking dollar. Nigga had to snatch chain. Slide through the city, now switching fucking lanes. I was looking on the ground where they sleep through the rain. Time I down to the chain, niggas so mad. I didn't see the nights, I was down, had to get back. Now I'm out, I see the views where I sleep at. Show them all the talking, let the progress do the feedback. All I like
Don't do a lot of talking. Let the progress do the feedback. Let the don't do talking. Let the progress do the feedback. Come on, Trey. Come on, Trey.
I've been reaching for that stuff. Young popping boxes, they can't tell me nothing slow. Hey, one, why you wasting all my time? Second full of dollars, and we ballin' in fucking time.
Just keep pushing. Keep going. Push, push, push. Get to the money. I'll get to the. Oh. Yeah, 5 3. Yeah. Oh boy. Oh boy.
I didn't know you was fucking with me. How many times can you fall in love again? You was fucking up my mind. Bitch, I can't let you in. I can't let you in. Bitch, I can't let you in. No, cause you complicated. You complicated. Bitch, I'm trying to be famous. I'm on the I'm on the stage, nigga. It's a problem. You was fucking bitch, I can't bitch, get complicated. Get complicated. Bitch, I'm trying to be famous. Yeah, really. That shit on TNT. Damn, Kai, you going crazy. Jerry Production.
No, 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 please. Golly, that's gonna get me copyrighted. Oh, So we are getting a good retracement off of this. We haven't quite tapped into this range yet, so not too sure why we're getting a retracement. It probably won't be a very strong retracement, basing off the fact that we're doing it before we even tapped into the order block. But on the retracement, you can't go all the way down below this level and even down to this level, and we'll still be valid. We could even if we wanted to, like if we are only in for one contract, but we could potentially see a re-entry off of this because this is our strategy. I mean, we got an SMT coming in here, and then we're looking for 5 minute retrace off of that. We're sort of in that macro too, so it would be an ideal time to enter. But I don't think I'm going to enter on this. I think I'm content with taking my $60 for today and then letting it run. But for now, I gotta take a poop. So I'm going to watch this on my iPad and I'm going to the bathroom. I'm still not convinced. I'm still not convinced that this is where we're going to top out. I still don't think it is. I feel like this is what we're gonna get. I feel like we're gonna stay around where we are right now, maybe a little bit lower, and then 10:30 is gonna come. I feel like we're gonna get a large, quick move down right as 10:30 happens. I think we'll tap into this order block area right here. So like this wick, I believe we'll tap down into here, and then I think we'll see that reaction higher. And I think we'll come back up, and I think we'll spend some time in here, and then I think we'll push this Friday high. Then we'll form a new high of the day. That's what I'm thinking. Now, gotta play both ways here. If we were looking for shorts, what would we want to see? We would want to see we would want to see price come back up into here, right? We would want to see price come back up into here to give us a reason to come down lower. Because right now we don't really have a reason. The only reason we got right now is this fair value gap, right? But this fair value gap doesn't hold too much because we traded above it. So we need something else to go off of. And I think that's what this order block is going to do. But we haven't tapped into the order block. So I think we'll go up there regardless of if we're going lower today or if we're going to continue going higher. I think we'll go up here. There's our quick move down. It's a little bit earlier than I would think, but that's okay. Maybe we'll use the 10:30 as the push up there. I'm sort of thinking once we do get into this, we'll put an alert here because I gotta leave here soon. Once we get here, I think I'll move my stop. We'll move it under here. We'll move it to 28. This will be my new stop. Boom. Also, as you can see on the screen, crypto is absolutely shitting itself right now. Mm, Bitcoin's at 85. Yeah, we're bad. We're down pretty bad there. Ethereum, we're also down on not too bad. Solana, we're down pretty good. Solana's down pretty good. XRP, we're also down pretty good. We're also down pretty good. Yeah, crypto's kind of shitting itself, but trading is picking up. So there's that. Hopefully we can really flip this around on this candle. Because if we're continuing how we continue, we use 1030 to sweep liquidity, and that liquidity will probably be under here, stopping me out of the trade. And sort of what it's looking like. But we still got hope. Market structure hasn't shifted yet. Still got hope. What I don't have hope on is this goddamn parking pass. Let's hope this 1030 move is to break the fair value gap or to invalidate the fair value gap. Hopefully, please, please don't stop me out. Just invalidate this gap right there, and then push higher. No. No. Please don't end this way. Alrighty. Well, I have realized $58 so far. So if the title says making $58, then this stopped me out. If it says anything more than that, then no, it went higher, and that's what I made on it. So you see, I think this is gonna be my final stop. Whenever we get to this level, that's when I'm gonna move my stop to here. And then actually, I think whenever we break out of here, I'll move my stop right here. Okay, so once we get here, break this high, moving my stop there. Once we break this high, moving my stop here, and then TP's up here. I gotta get to work, so look at the title. It'll tell you the P&L for today.